Hi everyone, we're going to see how to scrape a PDF file using Tabula. The purpose of this action is basically to turn a PDF file into a machine-readable table so that you can kind of upload it into data visualization software and create whatever visualizations you want, starting from this table. If you have a PDF file with a table, you can't just upload it on a data visualization tool because a PDF file is not machine readable. So that's why you have scraping tools like Tabula. In order not to scrape it manually, imagine you have a very large table with thousands of rows. You don't want to copy and paste them manually. You want a software that transforms a PDF file into a machine readable format, like for example Excel or CSV. So let's start. First of all, you go on tabula.technology, download Tabula on your computer. If you have a Windows machine, just download it for Windows. If you have a Mac machine, download it for Mac. Second, you're gonna need a PDF file, right? So I have done a little bit of research and I found a UN Habitat PDF report with a lot of pages and tables. So this is the typical scenario when you have a PDF file and you want to visualize some of the data that is into this file. And it's locked into a PDF format, which means that you can't basically just copy and paste it. You have to copy every single number into the table, and that takes a lot of time. So let's go into the page that I know has a table that I'd like to visualize. It's the statistical annex. And you see here, there is a massive amount of data, but you can't just take it, because if you copy and paste it this way, the format will not be consistent. And you can't just take it and put it into Excel. You need a scraping tool like Tabula. So what you have to do to scrape this file, you basically have to open Tabula, import the PDF file into Tabula, and then wait for it to be processed. Once it's uploaded, you're gonna select the table and transform it into an Excel file. So it takes a little bit of time. I suggest to just export the few pages with the tables that you want to export so that it takes less time to be loaded into the software. So once you have it on your Tabula, you can click on Auto Detect Tables and then basically select the table that you want to scrape. You do it for every page, and it's a little bit of like manual work. It's very easy, but it takes time. So you basically do this kind of stitching. You see, you select all the tables that you want to scrape, and then once you've done this, you can basically click on preview and export. There are two extraction methods. Sometimes one works, sometimes the other works. These are the stream method and the lattice method. The stream method looks for spaces between rows and columns. The lattice method looks for lines between rows and columns. In our case, I think we have lines. So you see, this is probably gonna work with the lattice method. There you go. You see that the table is actually looking good. These are the exact numbers ready to be exported into a CSV file. To do so, you're gonna click on export, download the CSV file, and then basically you can load it on a tool like Google Sheets, and you get something like this. Some additional cleaning is needed, for example, in the header, but I mean, you have a CSV file turned into a Google Sheets from a PDF.